Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the beginning of December. I'm so excited. We're going to put up our Christmas tree today, some decorations. We got a few bits in home store more yesterday and I'm absolutely buzzing for Christmas. Finally finished editing my last month's vlog. You'll obviously have seen it by the time you see this, but I'm a bit delayed and a bit kind of behind schedule with the vlogs, just life in general. But I'm really excited to do a little bit of vlogging over December. I'm not going to do Vlogmas, it's just way too much. I am never going to be able to upload a vlog every single day, not with a 5-month-old and a 4-year-old. It's just not possible. I don't know how I did Vlogmas back in the day. Obviously I had just so much more free time, but like it's just, we're gonna do some sort of vlogs over December and I'll try and upload as much as I can, but no Vlogmas unfortunately. And also I broke a nail, kind of like just snapped off, and my finger underneath, look at it, it's like green. This happened to me once before and I remember looking it up. It's if like the nail is lifting somewhere, and I kind of had a bit of an ingrown, this is so disgusting, I kind of had a tiny bit of an ingrown nail on this side, and obviously it lifted up, so water got in under my nail, and that's what happens when water gets in under your nail. But my finger is like green, so I may not be able to get a nail on that the next time I'm getting my nails refilled, which is next week, and I can't wait. I also broke this one as well, but look, it's when do I ever not break nails? I'm so hard on my nails. My nail girl knows me, knows how hard I am on nails, because she tries to keep them to a length where I'm not going to like hammer them off. But yeah, I'm kind of raging over that because now this hand looks weird. So today we're going to start putting the decorations up and you can come along. I'll try and vlog as much as I can of it and hopefully it'll be of some interest to you guys. We have our advent calendar. Who's going to open the door?
Me.
Just mind your fingers. See, there's a mat. So now we have to open up all of the doors. We need to find number 1. Can you see it? Where's number 1? Maybe the baby can see it. I found it.
Where?
Oh, do you want me to show you?
Where?
Right there at the house. Way! Pull it out. And now, what's in here? Oh my god, what did you get?
A little figure.
A little figurine. I think you get a figure every single day.
Daddy.
So you got, it's like a polar bear man. So you get a figure every day and he has to go on the mat. I think you get a Christmas tree and stuff. That's great fun. Do you want to open it?
Where does he go?
Waiting for all his friends to come out of their doors so you can put him together. Do you want me to open him?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can put it together. Oh, look at the handies trying to come and help. This looks great. Very good. The boxes are down, so we have all our Christmas bits here. And we got these in home store. These are the coloured lights I was talking about. So these are kind of like the old vintage lights from, well, vintage looking lights. And I'm going to put these on the little tree that I have. I just call it the kids tree, as in like any little ornaments they make from school, anything like that are going on it. So that's, I've got 2 boxes of them, and then white lights as well, because they only came in 80, which is not a huge amount of lights, but sure, it'll do. And it's very hard to get vintage looking coloured lights. They're all very blue toned, and these were kind of like warm toned when they were lit because they had them displayed in the shop. Then we got this Santa Please Stop Here sign, and this is a light that you stick in your garden. And we also got candy canes, which I'll show in a minute. I picked this up in Dunn's not that long ago, so I'm going to hang this off my stairs. So this is a garland and it has like little glittery bits in it, and then it also has a light, like when it's like built-in light, because I had a garland for autumn but you had to put the lights on yourself, so this one is built in. All our lovely baubles that Paddy's mum got us. I love these glass ones. I know I've tons of baubles. What have I got over here? These are for the little tree, but I want to get more decorations that ye make because that's your tree. So more like of these type of decorations, the kiddie decorations, and I want to get coloured ones because these are so boring. I just bought a pack of them last year or the year before just to fill up the tree, but I want like more fun ones like these, and you're like your handprint. I want all these type of decorations, so we have to make new ones as well with the baby. And that was like your daddy and I's first Christmas. We got married in 23. So I want all these kind of fun ones. There's another fun one that you made at school. And I want that tree to be your tree. Oh look, here's another decoration that you made last year. So we want nice, fun decorations for your Christmas tree.
That.
You made them in school last year.
And this is in school as well.
What is that?
A snake.
It is a snake, because they're doing wildlife in school at the moment. Bye bye autumn wreath. Hello Christmas wreath. I actually was contemplating getting a new Christmas wreath for the front door and put this one inside, but I actually think it's too big to put inside and it's very pretty, so maybe we'll just keep that on the front door. All empty, ready for the tree. First Christmas movie.
I love Christmas.
Hey. I haven't even opened all the boxes yet and there's absolute mayhem here already. So much bits and pieces. I have the baby attached to me because he's just very unsettled today. So he's in his harness while we're decorating. Yeah, I'm trying to like organize everything here. I honestly can't even remember what I had or where I put stuff, but I did take pictures last year. Sorry, my hair's a mess. I did take pictures last year because I knew I'd have this problem, so I have to go into my phone and go through my pictures because we got new decorations last year and I just had bits and pieces everywhere, and like I said, I just want to put them back where I had them last year. I was in the depths of morning sickness last Christmas. Yeah, there's that. You hanging up there, Noah? How are you getting on there? Good? Good boy. Oh, you're a very good help. So it's a big Christmas tree.
I'll
lift you.
It's getting really high. Daddy will lift you. Ollie will lift you. Hey.
Oh, green.
We're on to green. Good man, thank you. Ooh.
So you're
Bits of silver, bits of gold.
Oh, it's
bits of
like silver
everything.
and gold, okay.
And brown.
Okay.
But I want to do the other tree.
Yes, which colour is on the other tree on?
Are they hanging up?
Well, now put a bit of effort in there now.
Putting this guy up.
Yeah, bit of work.
Oh,
Another guy.
I know, they're from... You can put them on the other tree if you want. No, you don't hang them off the lights. You hang them off the branches.
Oh, I'm the lights.
Okay.
I don't care.
Very good work. Thank you, Noah.
No, I'm not going to let you go. You don't... Oh, here. Bring you down to Nana and Gaga's and you're...
Worn out. Poor baby. There we go. Garland up the stairs. I don't know how that looks, but it's the best I can do with it. How did people hang these? I just tied it up and it's staying in place, but oh my god, it was a bit of a job and a half. Like I said, I don't know how people hang these, but it looked really nice. I'm gonna fix it up a bit and fluff it out anyway. I'm very happy with that. And then we have the hall table done, and just here at the door, I just think everything looks really nice. I have still so many bits and pieces to kind of go through and just organise a bit better. The kitchen looks like, I don't know what. There's just stuff everywhere. And I kind of finished in here, like I have my candles and stuff hanging up and these bits here. And this I need to sort out. I'm just not really happy with it then. This end looks awful, but look, it is what it is for right now. And I'll sort it out later on. And then I've candles from last year. This one, I really liked the smell of this. It's Winter Pine and it's from Sand and Fog, and I normally leave the lids off these when they're in the boxes, so then when you open them the boxes all smell like Christmas. It's amazing. This is an old nutcracker. I think this is from the boys' great nana's house and it's now ours, so I need to find a little home for him. But that's all I'm doing today. I'm like, oh, that's all I'm doing today. I've done so much. I'm actually exhausted from putting stuff together. And I had a huge amount of help from my sister, and Patty did a lot of it as well. But now it's basically done. I just need to clean up. So I'm happy out, and then we'll do the other tree tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna have a cup of tea now and just relax for the afternoon. And my last few little bits as well on the table. And then I just hung little baubles out of my olive tree. I actually was looking at pictures of my olive tree from last year to see like what I hung out of it, and it's gotten so big. Like it's grown so much in the last year, like it's huge now. I'm kind of reluctant to cut it. Like I know it needs a bit of shaping, it's a bit disheveled, but I don't really want to cut it because I really like the fullness of it, and I'm terrified in case I will kill it or do something. It's thriving over there, so I just don't want to injure the tree. Sitting down in our matching PJs. I got them in domes and they say Nulla Cunna all over them. They're so cute. And Noah has the PJs on as well because we are watching the toy show tonight. I am wreck tired from the week. It's been the longest week ever, and I thought I'd get back vlogging to you guys a bit sooner, but I didn't. But we're very happy out here watching the toy show. And he has his popcorn.
Animated person background.
They're doing the Grinch theme tonight, which is Noah's favourite movie. Like there was a stage at one year, I think he watched it like 7 or 8 times. Like it was ridiculous. It was on all over Christmas. Watched it twice so far this year, and I have a feeling we'll be watching it a lot more. I just want to do like a little quick bit of vlogging now before we start watching the toy show, just to remember our little PJs. I'm surprised the baby's still awake, to be honest. He's kind of like comforting himself. He did have a little nap earlier, but not interested. I'd give him about an hour and he'll be fast asleep.
Oh, look at all the presents.
We're getting ready to go to a Santa Express. I'm telling you, to try and be somewhere on time with 2 kids, it's not for the weak. We're finally ready to go and we have to be there by 5. I'll try and show you a little bit around. It's just getting dark now, so I'm excited because you'll be able to see the lights, and it's like we're driving through the countryside. But it has been fun trying to get everybody organized and trying to get everyone into this car, and we're finally all en route. And you know the way when you're nearly there, you're just like, you're not as panicked, but when you're trying to leave and trying to get everyone organized, the panic is setting in. Anyway, I'm wearing this little furry friend. I thought it was actually going to be colder outside than it actually is, so I'm hoping that I'm not going to sweat alive in it, because it is kind of an indoor/outdoor event. So we'll see when we get there, but I'm feeling that I'm probably going to be really warm. It's very blustery tonight, but it's actually warm, so you can't see, I know, because you're a little bit too small, but you'll see in a minute. Let's get on the... Noah has his golden ticket. So my little baby bear.
This place was humming with Christmas magic.
Wow.
Just waiting to be discovered. And how was it found? What a complete accident. And one more time, please stay in your seats while me and Sugar Plum come get you.
Are we all in it?
Look at the lovely Christmas tree and the fire. Little chubby cheeks just bouncing. Woo! Keep that little handy.
I made the bed now. Look, there's my house.
Oh, there's Buddy's house. That's his house.
Happiest man of all time. Do you guys know what I mean?
Nose reindeer
Had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, 2, 3. Oh, these.
It's not a dead end.
It's a dead end.
Dead end.
Look. Oh.
A place at Mount Druid. Do you know why? Because it's Santa's house. Does everybody know this is Santa's house?
Yeah.
Did you get it? Did you? When Buddy was trying to give you a hint. Yeah? Very good. But you know what? You can't tell Santa we were here. Because not everybody's allowed into Santa's house, so it can be our little secret. Do you think you can keep a secret from me? Like this? Can everybody do that? North Star shines, it's Christmas time. North Star shines, it's Christmas time. Come in and close the door. Badge. I had to put heels on today so I could see. Because these parents are getting taller every year. And there. Go on down. Loads of room in this.
Oh, it smells lovely. Look at that lovely Christmas tree, Noah. Noah, let me see your magic card. And you got your certificate.
Do you pull this or what?
You post.
I have your golden ticket here.
You post your postcard.
We go now.
Off we go. Let's go.
Have you got magic in you? Everybody have a look.
Come on, Noah. Good work.
Santa, I'm going to hand you over to these elves. This is Ace. It's very special.
Santa's sleigh. Look at this. Wow. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, Mariah Carey's starting again. I won't be able to talk too much in this because it'll be copyrighted. But I have a lot of things I want to say. This has been so amazing. Oh, here we go.
Santa Claus.
Look at
Oh wow! Santa!
Oh, wow.
How are we?
Where's
What's your
good?
name? What? Say good. Mute.
You got a present from Santa.
I hope it's a lights over there. The one that we built with
Just in the door and I am freezing. You know the way like the cold just gets into your face. Nicest Christmas experiences ever. It was lovely. I highly recommend. Even the food was delicious. Everything. Like you get food, photographs, like all the little magical experiences with like Santa and Mrs. Claus, and then we got to like see all the elves. It was just really, really nice. Anyway, look, better go. The baby needs to be fed. And I'm gonna end this vlog right now and I will talk to you all in my next one.